Criminal law. Forensic medical injury and death investigation. Fighting terrorism. How democracies can defeat domestic and international terrorists. Autopsy of a crime lab. Exposing the flaws in forensics. Criminalistics, forensic science, crime, and terrorism. Forensic science, crime, and terrorism. Fixing broken windows, restoring order and reducing crime in our communities. Above the law, the inside story of how the Justice Department tried to subvert President Trump. Invisible no more. Police violence against black women and women of color. The myth of overpunishment. A defense of the American justice system and a proposal to reduce incarceration while protecting the public. Evidence under the rules. Text, cases, and problems. Connected ebook with Study Center. Aspen Casebook. Aspen Casebook Series. Convicting the innocent. Where criminal prosecutions go wrong. Strange Justice, The Selling of Clarence Thomas. Fire and Emergency Services Administration. Management and Leadership Practices. Management and Leadership Practices. Chaplaincy in Law Enforcement. What is it and how to do it? Winning at Trial, NITA. Intelligence-led policing. Criminal. In Justice. What the push for decarceration and depolicing gets wrong and who it hurts most. Charged. The new movement to transform American prosecution and end mass incarceration. The Italian Squad. The true story of the immigrant cops who fought the rise of the mafia. Trial Practice Manual for Criminal Defense Lawyers, a Field Guide to Courtroom Combat, 5th edition. Criminal Evidence. Media, Crime, and Criminal Justice. Vigilantes of Montana. We Get Confessions by Albert Joseph, the 20th of December 1995, updated 2024. A Manual Law Outlines for Evidence. Evidence, Cases, Commentary, and Problems, Connected ebook with Study Center, Aspen Casebook. Pass it on, what we know, what we want you to know. Prison, the hidden sentence, what to do when your loved one is arrested and incarcerated. The least dangerous branch, the Supreme Court at the bar of politics. Radical acts of justice, how ordinary people are dismantling mass incarceration. No more police, a case for abolition. Rise of the Warrior Cop. Inside the Cell, the Dark Side of Forensic DNA. Crisis Negotiations. Police Field Operations, Theory Meets Practice. Waco Rising, David Koresh, the FBI, and the Birth of America's Modern Militias. Locking Up Our Own, Crime and Punishment in Black America. American Law, an Introduction. Federal Rules of Evidence, 2023 edition, with internal cross-references. Federal Rules of Evidence, 2022 edition, with internal cross-references.